So basically, there's a power. It's all off just like a one power, single phase thing. So because apparently if everything was running, it needs a shitload of power. But because usually only one thing's running, none of the motors are at full. One of the motors at full torque, not all of them. So it's sort of you don't actually need that much power to run it. Yeah, it's definitely more than a vacuum cleaner, but it's not So there's a RCD here. That's just in case you short something or you put your hand in there and you get electrocuted. But you may need to press reset on that just when you're starting, so it'll cut power to the board. You can hear the fan going here. There's a fan to keep the VFD here. Keep air moving through that. It's got this carburetor or this air filter on it to just try and keep the dust from getting into the works. Make sure that that's plugged in, and then make sure that this black one's plugged in. That's the water pump. So there's a water pump. There's an aquarium water pump that's pumping up the lines into the spindle, that keeps that cool. Okay, so that's power. That's power. Then switching on the machine. Switching on the machine. This has got a lockout, so now the board is isolated. So once that goes on, the board's locked, but it's got power to parts of the circuit, and this is switch on. Should switch on. So that now there's power to the second half of the board. So now everything's sort of powered up, right? Cool. So controller board, VFD. So this one is just running the spindle. So that's run by a USB connection to the computer. So it's like a serial connection. It just tells it go 12,000 revs, go 8,000 revs, go whatever. Then there's a Ethernet connection here. So there's like a computer, which you can open up the board.